Hi there. Back to updates as well. An interesting case in the Labour Court coming out of Johannesburg, where a municipal manager was dismissed for gross insubordination of failing to work post contracting COVID. So during COVID and the contraction of COVID, he worked some 240 k's away from his municipality remotely. When he was instructed after he recovered to return back to work, he refused. He was dismissed for gross insubordination. And of course, the Labour Court upheld the dismissal, finding he failed to comply with specific authorization requirements in respect of working remotely, persistently absented himself from the workplace without proper approvals, and effectively that dismissal was appropriate. So again, this whole issue about remote work, and in this petrol crisis and fuel crisis we have worldwide now, we are going back to remote work, but it's a conditionality under remote work that you are given the authority to do so, and when the employer can get you to return back to work. This person was clearly sick. It was during COVID, but after COVID and after recovering, the Labour Court found the dismissal was appropriate where the person was not coming back to work after being instructed to come back to work. Till next time, have a fantastic week, Johnny.